Hi all. Today we are going to see the difference between machine learning and traditional statistics. So machine learning is a way of using computers to do our analysis. Like statistics, it's not shortcuts or approximation or just trying to build a rough model, or neither it is an theoretical distribution where we are trying to see whether assumption is our requirement. Often we don't use parameters like mean and standard deviations. In general, in machine learning, we try to use resampling. Especially, most important thing is the validation in machine learning. So we can actually estimate the real world accuracy for any research that we take place. And this is a very recent development that has happened, and we are moved towards artificial intelligence, and also we are going through more research in this field. Now, talking the difference between machine learning versus a traditional statistic is that statistics uses simple estimations procedures for small number of predictors that are unbiased based on assumptions. To give an example, it's like a linear relationship between independent and dependent variable using a linear regression. But when it comes to machine learning, we use complicated algorithms like KNN, support vector machines, random forest, and we also move to deep learning. So we use this complicated algorithms on many predictors, that is wide number of data that produces high classification accuracies. Um, Machine learning has discussed. Machine learning uses resampling techniques. Machine learning uses computing powers. It's actually used to learn to predict the outcome using the input data, and also we can accept many different kind of data, like we can use data that is image, we can use audio, and there are many other kind of data that we can actually to use the machine learning to build the models. Both traditional statistics and machine learnings are used to explore the data. In simple, we can find out mean, median, mode, see how it's distributed, draw a Gaussian distribution to see all the stuff that we can do. And also we can use both machine learning and traditional statistics to eliminate the noise, and obviously we can use box plot and other methods to remove the outliers, and we can use both to predict new cases. So both need independent validation in this case. But machine learning became very famous because we can do things faster than any human being could have thought they could have done. So it's not anymore sitting down and writing thousand lines of code of if or else, or it's not sitting down with a paper and pen and trying to do the calculations, or not using Excel to do the calculation. Now everything has become faster, can do things that usually statistics can't do. When we say what statistics can't do, we have already discussed that it can use a different kind of data. So one of such thing is facial recognition that has become very famous, and we are taking facial recognition to a next level, like finding out expressions and stuff like that. And also handwriting and speech recognition also has become is something that traditional statistics can't do. We can also use it for recommendation, like recommending similar kind of books, similar kind of music, movies, like Amazon, Pandora, and Netflix are currently using this. And traditionally, statistics was used to recognize spam, and now we can do it in a better way. We can classify music into different genre. We can predict what item will sell, like how Amazon and Walmart are doing. Uh, that's music classifications and item to sell. But we are moving even further and trying to change the world using machine learning. So there are research where we are able to predict the tumor, and we are also trying to find out whether the tumor is cancerous or not cancerous. We can actually also find out on how to reduce the poverty. These are just few examples, like we can calculate the risk of cancer using several thousands of DNA markers, classify tumors, whether it's harmful or not, such things. So next time when someone says to you that machine learning is just a traditional statistics, you need to let them know that how machine learning is different from statistics and how advanced it is, and how advanced things are getting with deep learning and artificial intelligence. So it's good, and we are actually moving in the right direction.